So let me show you how to manifest and bring things into your life automatically here, okay? Now check it out. I'm talking to you from my penthouse, my home here. And I'm going to prove to you that you can bring anything into your life automatically without lifting a finger here, okay? But let me tell you what the problem is. This is what you're doing. You're reading the books, right? How many books have you read? How many times have you watched The Secret? How many times have you prayed to God? God, please, I need help. Please, I need a healing. I need more money. I need this. How many times for the last 30 to 40 years of your life have you sacrificed for others? Okay? If that's you, listen. Stop consuming more information and begin to delete the beliefs and the information that is stuck in your head. Do you not understand that everything in your brain right now is a reflection of your outer world? Listen, comment I agree if you agree to this next statement. Your inner world creates your outer world. This changed my life. And I'm 45. When I realized that my inner world creates my outer world, I stopped reading books. I didn't need vision boards. I didn't need to meditate. What I needed to do first was to delete all the negative crap that was stuck in my mind. Childhood trauma, unworthiness, no confidence, low self-esteem. It never works out for me. I can't stand my life. Why did they do this? That was me 15 years ago, blaming others. I had to delete those limiting beliefs from my brain. How do I do that? I run a script. And I want you to run the script tonight. Listen, I'm talking from the... Listen, trust me. Play the script tonight. Run the script. The script is going to remove and delete all the negative trauma, all the disappointing thoughts, all the things that you can't get over. It will remove it tonight. It doesn't take years to manifest your dreams. It doesn't take decades to fix your life. It can happen tonight, but you got to take action. Click learn more, play the script. You're going to get the best sleep of your life. And by morning, you're going to realize that this was the best decision that you've ever made in 2026. Let's go.